Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn the poem All the Words the Stage, written by William Shakespeare. Yesterday we have seen introduction of poet. Okay. Now today we are going to learn this poem. I would like to explain the poem now. See, all the words a stage, and all the men and women merely players. Means poet William Shakespeare says that here whole world it is a stage. Whole world it is a stage. In this first line only there is a figure of speech. This first line, which figure of speech? Can you guess? Okay, this figure of speech is related to this line. Figure of speech is metaphor. Because poet here compare two different things. Which two different? Poet implies here two different things. Here is a comparison without like or as. Okay. Poet compare here word as a stage. Poet for word, poet says there word, whole word is a stage. Whole word is a stage. Means poet compare word and as a stage. Word as a stage. Okay, that's why this figure means this line related to the figure of speech metaphor. Okay. And all the men and women merely players. And on that stage, we the human are merely players. Merely players. Merely means just players. We are just players on that stage. Which stage? Whole world. Means whole world is the stage, and on that stage, all the men and women, we are just players. Players means we are just actors. See here meaning players means actors. Okay. They have their exits and their entrances. Means when we are playing that role of that, we are the actor and we have our exits and entrance. Means they have, the human have what they have? Their exits and their entrances. Entrances means here it means when we are born, that time we are exits, and when we are die, that time it is entrances. Okay, exits and entrances means born and die. Born and die means they born and they die. Okay, means till from birth to till our death there is a 7 ages. Means poet divided our life into 7 ages. Okay. And one man in his time plays many parts. And one man means we human means we are acting many different parts. Many different parts. We are acting, we act many different parts. We play many different parts, and each that players playing 7 roles during his life. Means each players or each actor acting 7 roles during his life. It means it is a cycle of human life. Okay, it is a cycle of human life. And in that cycle, one man play or acts many different parts. Okay, his acts being 7 ages, and it is divided into 7 ages. Okay, at first the infant, and which is the first age? It is infant, means when we born. When we born, that time it is our means babyhood, means from birth to 2 years. Okay, birth to 2 years. Yesterday we saw now, means birth to 2 years, it is the infant. Okay, and that time when we take a birth, that time what we are doing? Mewling and pucking in the nurse's arm. It is our also acting. Understood? Poet means here compare that birth when we are taking a birth, means when we are born, that time poet compare that born age into that means we are acting. Poet says that we are acting. What act that time we are doing? Mewling and pucking in the nurse's arm. That time we are mewling and pucking. Mewling means here mewling means to cry weakly with soft high pitched sound. To cry weakly. Means write down their meaning. Mewling means to cry weakly with soft high pitch sound. When we are born, means every child when it born, that time it is mewling. Okay, means that crying loudly with a soft high pitch sound, weakly but high soft pitch sound. Okay, and perking in the nurse's arm, means we born in the means hospital. That time we are of course we are in the nurse's arm. In that time perking means, here see meaning, means throwing up, vomiting, means we are throwing our legs, our hands in the nurse's arm. Means that movement when after the birth, that movement, which movement, throwing and vomiting in the nurse's arm, in the hand of nurse. Then the whining schoolboy, means it is the first stage, which means that describe word mewling, perking in the nurse's arm, infant when we born. Okay, now poet here describe the second stage of life. Okay, second age of life. Now then the whining schoolboy, whining means to make complaining cry sound. Okay, whining means make the complaining cry sound. It is now start the second stage of life, means 3 years to 12 years. Okay, childhood, our childhood stage. That time means after when we are going to school, that time we are complaining with a cry sound. Means why we are complaining? Because we are unwilling to go to school first time. Understood? With his satchel, see, then the whining schoolboy with his satchel means here school bag. Okay, school bag. And shining morning face, but with a shining morning face is like a shining morning. And creeping like a snail, and slowly, creeping means slowly like a snail, slowly going to school. Unwillingly to school means we are unwillingly go to school. Okay, it is like this way poet describe the first stage infant and second stage schoolboy means childhood. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss the next stage of life. Okay, thank you.